So hello guys, welcome to the Python lecture. In this lecture, we will learn about the various operators of the Python. Until now, we have learned about how to take user input data, about variables and some basic syntax of the Python. Okay. In this video, we will learn about various operators of the Python and how to implement that operators with some operands. Okay. So let's begin. So here we take two variables and define two input data of integer type. Okay, and then we will print it x plus y. Here plus is act as an operator. Okay, and x and y is a operand of the operators. So we will get 30. Right? What if we want to do subtraction in Python? Just x minus y. Okay, see, we will get minus 10. As for division, we use backslash or a division method. So x divided by y, we get 0.5. What if we want a rounded figure output, or we want to our output as an integer? So we use float division. Okay, so for float division, we have to take double backslash. Okay, let me show you. See, we get output 0. Let me show you one more example. If we divide 5 by 4, we get 1.25, and we divide by using float division, we get 1. Okay, now it's clear. So now for the multiplication, we have to use asterisk. Okay, so we can write 2 asterisk 3, so we get 6. Cool. What if we want to print 2 multiple times, like 2 into 2 into 2? So here we get 8. Okay, let's suppose if someone say to multiply 200 times, so what you have to do? Just write same like as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 100 times. Okay, fine, you will do 100 times. Let's suppose if someone said to multiply 2 10,000 times, then what? Your whole day is gone in writing 2 only. So this is not a good idea. So for that we will use power. So for using power, we use 2 asterisks. So let me show you 2 double asterisks to power 3. Okay, so we get 8. Both one is equal. Okay, now for getting remainder of 2 number, we will use mod. Okay, so 2 mod 2, we will get remainder 0. As now 5 mod 2, we will get 1. Right? Let's suppose if we have various or multiple operators and operand, then what we will get in our output? So let me show you one example of multiple operators and operand. So 5 plus 10 into 2 minus 5. So what we will get in our output? 20. But how we get 20? So these types of operation mainly work on the precedence, operator precedence. Okay, those operator have highest precedence, they will execute first, then after their lower one. Okay, so here the multiplication have highest precedence, then addition and subtraction. So first multiplication is done, then after addition and subtraction. Let us suppose if we want to add first, then what we have to do? So for that we have to take parenthesis, and under parenthesis we have to take 5 plus 10. So it will add first because parenthesis have highest precedence than multiplication. So it first add, then after multiply, and then subtract. Okay, now let me show one more example by taking values through the variables. Okay, now we take 2 variables and print one operation. Okay, see, we get minus 100 in our output. So here I mentioned all the precedence of the operators, so note it down and keep practicing over it. If anyone have any problem, then comment below, I will help you out. Okay, so hope to see you in the next lecture. Bye bye, have a good day.